Hello! In this video I will demonstrate the Clarinox Bluetooth stack running on the Renesas S7G2 board interfaced with our very own Joeyduino shield. We'll be able to debug via the Clarinox debugger running on the PC and interface with our Joeyduino's wireless module via a UART connection. We'll start the demo off by showcasing the Bluetooth stack's SPP capabilities. Before running the application, we need to configure the Clarinox debugger. To configure the UART interface connected to the Clarinox debugger, select Configuration, which is found under the Connection menu. Make sure you have selected the correct port number to connect to your device, which you'll be able to confirm through your computer's device manager. You'll also want to make sure that your baud rate is set to 460,800. Once you have the correct configuration, go ahead and click OK. Connect to the device by pressing the play icon and choosing the UART interface from the window that pops up. Let's go ahead and run the application, which has been preloaded onto our board by resetting the device. You'll see the debug logs appearing on the Clarinox debugger. On the Virtual Console window, you'll see the initial Bluetooth menu. Select 1 to initialize the Bluetooth stack and wait for the initialization to complete. Let's make the device discoverable and connectable by selecting option 4. I'll be using an Android phone to run this test, so I'll need to open up the phone's Bluetooth window and scan for the device. Once you see the device appearing on the screen, select the device to make the initial pairing. When the console requests confirmation for the pairing, simply press Y to continue. Confirm the passkey on your phone as well, and with that, the pairing process is complete. I will be using the Bluetooth SPP Pro app, which can be easily found in the App Store, to make a connection between the devices. Before scanning for any devices, select option 6 to make the device discoverable. This will allow the app to detect the device. Select the device once it appears on the screen, and then select the option to connect. Now that the device is connected, we can send some text by selecting the byte stream mode option. Type your message and send it to see displayed on the Virtual Console screen. Now I'll do the reverse by sending data from the demo app to our Bluetooth connected phone. To access the necessary features to send data, I'll have to go to the Connected Device menu by selecting option 8. If I were not already connected to the device, I would have to follow through with the first few steps shown in this demo. I'll press option 2 to send a message to the phone. And there it is! We can also send a huge block of data to find the speed of this connection. I'll do that by selecting option 3. Give it a few seconds to transmit the data, and when it's done, you can see that the speed is 5,000 bytes per second. Well, this concludes the first half of our Bluetooth application demo. Stick around for the second half as I walk you through the Clarinox Bluetooth stack's low energy capabilities. For this second demonstration, I will be using the Clarinox BLE peripheral application. With the device already connected to the debugger, I'll go ahead and reset the board to load up the application. When the menu appears on the Virtual Console, I'll select option 1 to initialize the Bluetooth stack. This process will download the firmware onto the Joeyduino and will take a few seconds to do so. Once the initialization is complete, we can start advertising our signal by selecting option 3 from the menu. Now on the remote side, I'll be using an Android phone with the NRF Connect app, which will allow us to scan, connect, and browse for any nearby Bluetooth devices. I'll tap on Scan, and shortly after, you'll see our device appear on the screen. I'll tap on it to connect, and the console screen will give us confirmation after we've successfully established a connection. Now I'll tap on Unknown Service and select the fourth option down, which is Characteristic Handle 8. This handle supports read, write, and notify properties. The app gives us the option to write some values to our device by selecting the up arrow icon on the corresponding characteristic. I'll just type in a random value and hit send. You'll see the same values appearing on the Virtual Console screen. Likewise, we can also read values sent by the console by enabling notifications by tapping on this last icon with the 3 arrows. Now from the list of options on the console, I will now select option 5, which is Write Local Characteristics. and type in 8 for the characteristic handle. You'll be prompted to enter the text to write out to the handle. Now you'll see those characters appear on the phone screen in both its hexadecimal representation as well as its original ASCII value. So I have now demonstrated how our Bluetooth stack can be used to receive and transmit data, and with that I conclude the second half of the demonstration showcasing the BLE peripheral application running on the Renesas S7G2 interface with the Joeyduino wireless module. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our website for more information on our products.